Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the HP ZBook Fury 16 G11 mobile workstation, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. Are you tired of sacrificing performance for portability? Well, today we might have just found the answer to that problem, literally. This mobile workstation is built for the most demanding workflows, and I'm excited to dive in and see if it lives up to its promises. So who is this for? If you're an engineer, designer, architect, or anyone else who spends their days staring at screens and crunching numbers, this laptop might be the perfect companion. With its powerful specs and professional-grade features, it's clear that HP has aimed high with the ZBook Fury 16 G11. Now, I know what you're thinking, is it worth the hype? Well, let's take a closer look at some of the key features that make this laptop stand out from the crowd. First up, we have the impressive display. The 16-inch Kuxka 3840 by 2400 120Hz IPS anti-glare microEdge display is not only stunning to look at, but it also provides an incredibly smooth viewing experience, whether you're editing video, working on a graphics-intensive project, or just browsing around. But the display is just one part of the story. The real power behind this laptop comes from its powerful specs. With an Intel Core i7-13850HX processor and NVIDIA RTX 2080 GPU, this laptop can handle even the most demanding tasks with ease. And let me tell you, I've put it through its paces. Everything on screen feels buttery smooth, whether you're in a firefight or scrubbing through a timeline. Of course, no review would be complete without mentioning the operating system. Windows 11 Pro is the perfect choice for anyone who needs a laptop that can keep up with their workflow. With AI-powered Copilot, you'll have all the tools you need to get your work done faster and more efficiently than ever before. Now, I've had some time with the ZBook Fury 16 G11, and overall I'm really impressed. The build quality is top-notch, the display is stunning, and the performance is unbeatable. But like any laptop, it's not without its quirks. The battery life could be a bit better, and the keyboard can get a bit loud under heavy typing. That being said, if you're in the market for a mobile workstation that can keep up with your most demanding workflows, I'd highly recommend giving the HP ZBook Fury 16 G11 a look. It's a beast of a laptop that's sure to impress even the most seasoned professionals. If this review helped, hit subscribe and the bell so you never miss our weekly Amazon reviews.